How's that, cows? You like that double-decker? I would too. 2 beds? Are you kidding me? Is that spoiled or what? I have been looking for you all day. Where have you guys been? Where'd you take your baby, Maddie? I was worried, wondering where in the heck you took your baby. Little baby. I have some food for you. I've been out here hours ago looking for you. Yeah. You hungry? Huh? You hungry? These bushes have produced so much, but we have some that are going bad. So you think this herd of Black Angus will like these tomatoes? I'm pretty sure Goldie won't, but the cows aren't as picky. Here goes. There's Big Bob here. Whoa, there's a tongue. Whoa. Pretty cool. I guess Big Bob likes them. He wants more. Here's Daisy. Here. I guess Daisy likes them. Big Bob wants more. Darla, you want to try one, Darla? No? Bob likes them. Your babies. She never seems to care for nothing from the garden except for carrots. She'll take those. Let's see if the cows like okra. Of course, the nosy has got to hang out and just check things out. Look, she is hilarious. You're a silly kitty. Oh my gosh, what do you got? Teaching her, Natty? That's so good. Her got a wizard. Baby. Ah! Her got a wizard. Wow. He wants to play with it. I don't know if he's still alive. He's not alive. Oh, he is. We're not gonna believe in the middle back of these banana peppers. Look real close and you will see. See that? He just blinked. It's a toad. He buried himself. You never know what you're gonna see here at Farm Life. So Kallie and I were sneaking outside and look who snuck in. This is my outdoor cat. What a sight. All the cows herded up, even the horse. They don't call them a herd for a reason. Where's my Mills? Hey, Millie. Here you go. That's a girl. Some okra. One more? Let's go. I love you, Millie. Come on, Dolly, get some watermelon. There you go, girls. A nice summer treat for my country girls, for my farm life girls, for my homesteading girls. Eat it up, Dolly.
We never had a fishing hole down on the farm. That really did.
This horse here loves watermelon. Look at Bob. He's like, what's so good about it? What's so good about it? It's just good. That's the pregnant mommy. Oh, look at the swell belly. It's bulging. Can you see it? Oh yeah. Just 2 months after giving birth to this one, her got a swell belly again. Oh my goodness, Natty, what are we gonna do with you? Gorgeous out. The sun is setting. The sky is so pretty. Cows are saying hello. Horses saying hey. Everything just looks so pretty. What a beautiful evening. Oh, hey, Millie! I got you a surprise today. Oh, look at it. Oh, Millie, get it. Millie like watermelon? That looks good. Nothing like some nice fresh watermelon. Good stuff, huh, Millie?
Oh, what
what we don't do for our puppies. You know what time it is? All anxiety music time. The thunder just started. Okay, Kallie. I tried the thunder shirt. It didn't really seem to work. This music seems to help, though. Kallie, time for me to get in the shower, honey. What you gonna do? You're gonna be okay? You think you're gonna be okay? Just a little thunder, honey. I get in the shower. My dog does not like baths or showers. Does not. But look who is right next to me in the shower. Legit. Hours going. She is that scared. She hates taking baths. She's just been standing by me. Nothing like fresh, organic okra. It is amazing. Look at it every day. Oh, hey, little guy. A little fresh grass. Always keep your hand flat so you don't get your finger bit off. Saw a lady get her finger bit off one time. Keep your hand flat when you're feeding a horse. All right, Millie. Definitely pig style eating. Oh, let's try tomato. Go ahead, Goosey. A hot day, cool down.
Look, Bella.
What you got? Pocket snacks. The cutest thing ever. Oh my gosh, your baby is in there with you. Her booty is up in the air. That is the cutest thing. I love you, Natty. Hey, look at Natty. She's in her little cat tower. She's got her little 6-week-old baby in there with her nurse. And is that just the cutest thing or what? It's a good mommy, Natty. You keep her here, right on the porch. It's a good mommy. Yeah. Look at that. Is that cute or what? And her 6-week-old little kitty up there. Teaching her the ropes. I guess you could say our little pickling cucumbers here are producing. Whoa, looking over at Mercy. Look, 2 more hanging at the bottom of the bed. Crazy.
Look at her. She's gonna pick me.
What'd you do, Kallie? Too busy eating cow crap that I came out of the garden without you? Yeah.
You got plenty of.
No problem. Cucumbers are in. Come out. There's one. Baby there. Growing up the vines. They are all over the place. Plentiful. All the flowers. We have got hundreds of okra growing. This is a summertime favorite here at Farm Life. A little olive oil on them, and then we put some seasoning on them, and we just eat them raw. If you've never had them like that before, give it a try. These things are amazing. You will love them. We enjoy them every year.
Harvesting the onion time. Just clean up. Put it away. Eat it all year. What a way to go.
The neat thing is we've been eating on these things the whole time they've been growing. Scallions, eat them through the year.
ready. This is just today's small little harvest. But look at this guy here. Compared to my hand, that's a big old carrot. Here we go. Here's just a 10-minute harvest. Rinse these carrots off. Some grow nice and huge and big in relationship to my hand. Look how big that guy is. Some are sort of normal. Some are a little crazy like this. I love them. They taste good, nice and healthy. Grow you some.
I had to give her something. A little carrot top.
They're about to get a little crazy. They see the feed wagon coming. I'm the feed wagon. Look at them. They know what that means. Just a black racer, pretty harmless. See that little hole right there? He is gonna dive right back in there. He's, I don't know, a few feet. But as soon as I walk over to him, he will dive into that hole. Pretty cool. Look at that. Woo! Like Lady and the Tramp eating spaghetti.